Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a custom form on a Wix website. A custom form is useful when you want to collect specific information from visitors, whether that's contact details, customer inquiries, booking requests, feedback, or information related to your business. To get started, open your Wix site and go to the page where you want to work. From there, click Edit Site so you can access the website builder and make changes directly on the page. It's a good idea to choose the page where the form will make the most sense for visitors, such as a contact page, services page, booking page, or dedicated inquiry page. Once you're inside the editor, look to the top left corner and click Add. This is where Wix keeps the different tools and elements you can place on your site. You'll use this menu whenever you want to add new content or functionality to the page, so it's one of the main areas you'll work with inside the editor. After opening the Add menu, click Elements. Inside this section, search for Form so you can quickly find the form tools without browsing through everything manually. Using the search option can save you time, especially because Wix gives you a large number of different page elements to choose from. When the form options appear, choose Create New Form. This will open the custom form builder and let you build exactly what you need rather than using a fixed template. This is especially helpful if a standard contact form doesn't include the exact fields or information you want to collect from your visitors. From here, you'll see that you're starting from scratch. That gives you full control over the structure and content of the form. Before adding fields, it can help to think about the purpose of the form and the minimum information you actually need. Keeping a form focused can make it quicker and easier for visitors to complete. In the builder, look for the area where you can add form fields. You can click and drag the fields you want directly into your form. This is the part where you decide what information you want visitors to enter, and dragging fields into place makes it easy to organize everything visually. For example, you might add fields for a visitor's name, email address, phone number, message, or another piece of information that's relevant to your website. Try to arrange the most important fields in a logical order so visitors can move through the form naturally. As you select each field, you'll notice that the settings for that field appear on the right side of the screen. This is where you can adjust the field details and fine-tune how it behaves. Taking a moment to review these settings is helpful because it ensures the form looks clean and works the way you want for your visitors. Depending on the field, you may want to check things such as the field label, instructions, or whether visitors need to complete it before submitting the form. Making only essential fields required can also help avoid making the form feel unnecessarily difficult to complete. At the top of the form builder, you'll also see more options, including Preview, Settings, and Submission. Preview lets you check how the form will look before you publish it, which is useful for spotting layout issues or making sure everything is easy to read. Settings gives you access to the overall form configuration, and Submission is where you can review the form's submission-related options. These sections help you polish the form and make sure it functions properly. Before finishing, it's worth using Preview to look at the form from a visitor's perspective and checking that the fields, labels, and overall flow are clear. If you want to change how the form is arranged visually, click Layout at the top left. This lets you adjust the structure of the form so it better fits your website design. A clean layout can make the form easier for visitors to complete, so it's worth checking before you finish. You may also want to make sure the spacing and arrangement feel consistent with the rest of your website, so the form looks like a natural part of the page rather than a separate element. Once everything looks the way you want, click Save. That's it! You've now created a custom form on your Wix website. Before you finish completely, it's a good idea to preview your page and test the form yourself, so you can confirm that everything is easy to understand and that the form behaves the way you expect before real visitors start using it.